she did not want to give up because she had always dreamed of holding as her first child, but then shared about the Buganda Adventist team. So she decided na dito mga isang bulig sa iyo pa. Dito as soon as na-examine siya, so as soon as na-examine siya dito, naaraman tayo sa clinic kung ano ba talaga itong iyang naging sakit. So sinunod niya tayo ng treatment plan na ginatag sa isang doctor at staff dito. So within days, nabalik tayo ng iya health. So as soon after na, she gave birth to a baby girl and Rejoice. But before long, na nagkasakit naman siya auto, she began to doubt na whether nabuligan ba talaga siya sa clinic. So, naghanap siya sa iba na lugar na makabuli siya. Pero despite clinic after clinic, bakit siya naka-solve sa niya problem. So she failed to find an answer. Then she finally decided to go to a dentist clinic. This time, the doctor diagnosed with her a new condition and provided her medication within days nabalik naman ulit niya. Kaya sa niya naman na nagkasakit. So, wala na siya nag-hesitate na ito nag-i-admit na niya. So, throughout the treatment, the staff visited and prayed for her daughter's health. Jen was moved and had decided to start the Bible and later choose to be baptized. So, this shows how God cares hindi lang sa atin health, pero God also builds our trust in others and sharing the salvation. So, ang mga po sa atong gasita. Good morning and ako sa mga po sa atong